Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve background task host.exe system error in Windows computer. So background task host.exe is a critical process that's woven into the fabric of the Microsoft Windows operating system. It's crucial for controlling operations that run in the background of your computer. So this error could be instigated by several factors. These include inappropriate modifications to the system registry, conflicts arising from third-party applications, or the corruptions of essential system files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. For solutions, we will do is to scan the device for malware. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu, and then you need to type this Windows security, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at Windows security, and then you need now to tap or click this virus and threat protections, and then click. And then here at virus and threat protections, and then you can see now this scan options, and then you need to click. And then here at scan options, so we have those scan option settings here that we need to select to fix this error, but we need to select this Microsoft Defender offline scanning. So you can see here the quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and then next, this is the Microsoft Defender offline scan. So all you have to do is to check this circle icon, and then you need now to tap this scan now. So this will restart the device and will take about 15 minutes. So need to wait to complete the scan for this Microsoft Defender offline scan. And once we're done here at Windows Security, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here you need to type this cmd, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and the next step, then you will need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword as fc scan now is a command used in the Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verification is 100% complete, and the next command keyword that we need to type and enter. So just copy this command keyword, tsm space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Control plus C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here Control plus B, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And then we need to close the CMD. And then here at the start menu and the power button, then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.